Alright, so we got the phone, 11/22, and we got the backpack, got our GoPro. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another Chicago Lane Changers episode. You guys, we got the beautiful Camaro, and we are actually headed off to Silver Fox's house because we are going to install some ported manifolds today. You guys have been wanting a race between the both of us, so a race will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So I'm actually really excited to see the outcome. He might pull away. He might pull away. I might pull away. It's gonna be a close race. All right, so we gotta put the backpack right there. You guys want a cold start? Trust me, bro. Don't even say nothing. I know you want a cold start. I'll give you a cold start right now. Sounds pretty fucking good for stock. Yeah, you guys, let's actually head out and yeah, let's go by Silver Fox. Ooh, those cracks, man. It's artificial, by the way, so if you guys didn't know, it is artificial burble, so that's how the car came with. You guys want some pulls? I know you guys do. Alright, you guys ready? Wow, kind of got swirly over there. Ooh, those burbles. Oh my god, they're so good. You can't go wrong with this car, man. You can't. You just can't. But today isn't about the Camaro. It is about Silver Fox is sexy G37, and we are going to make it just as fast today. So I'm actually really excited for him. And yeah, man, his road to full bolt-on, he needs a couple more mods. And he's on full bolt-ons, man, and he's already fast as shit. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it over to Foxy the Fox, his beautiful home. All right, so I'm gonna park right here. Alex, please don't get mad. Thank you. Neutral. Okay. She's just so sexy. She's such a beauty. And we have Silver Fox, the legendary G37, in the building. Hello. What's up, buddy? Shit. Yes, yes I am. Oh, did you need tools?
No, I got them back. Look at these big hunks of sex right here. I got
That's
the ported,
so fucking hot. So you guys, we got the ported manifold for today's video. Is this gonna be officially full bolt on, or you still got the ported throttle bodies?
I'm debating if I want to do the ported throttle bodies, to be honest, because my guy Alex, we're working on his. Yeah. He's having nothing but issues like with idling and stuff.
No way.
So, yeah, we're gonna.
Is he tuned though?
Yeah. He's tuning right now, and it's
with the ported throttle bodies. Yeah. And they still have the idling issue.
Yeah,
that's fucked up.
So, I don't know if they're worth the 10 horsepower for what you pay for them.
10 horse. Yeah,
honestly, with this, and I'm gonna get 3-inch intakes in like 2 weeks. I'd probably be it, to be honest. At least until I supercharge it. But
hell yeah. So far, this is how the motor looks so far. So we've been doing a pretty good job. I should say Alex has been doing a pretty good job.
Well, you took out all these bolts.
And then, yeah, right now we're gonna take the Allen keys, take out the throttle bodies, and yeah, I think this should be interesting because I think the only thing that I feel like is holding it down is the throttle bodies. We took out literally every bolt that holds this manifold down, so we'll just start out. We'll just tell you how we started it off first. So first, Alex removed the engine cover, which are these, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're 10 mil bolts. You remove that, take off the engine cover, and now to remove the actual manifold, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 all the way back there. So those are 12 mil. We remove those, and now you remove the throttle body and your intake. It could be a long tube, you could have a stock one, don't matter, just take it off. It's, you know, better to, you know, move it around and shit. And then we took off the throttle bodies, and now you got to take off these PCV pipes right here. Which ones did we take off? We took off
these, and we just disconnected these. Yeah, we just disconnected them for right there because these things are pretty little.
And then this big one, we disconnected it from over there, and then we disconnected one from back here, if you guys can see it. And then we disconnected some harnesses along here and there. So pretty easy stuff. It's just very time consuming. So yeah, so we'll just go along and give you guys updates on how it is, because Honestly, videos like this kind of bore me, so I feel like it's gonna bore you guys. So we just kind of want to make it exciting, and then we're gonna take it on a nice little drive down the street, get his little reaction, see if there's any power difference, which I feel like there's definitely gonna be a power difference. All right, so this is the ported. This is how it looks ported. No, this actually, you can definitely tell there's a difference. These look way smaller in my opinion compared to this. This has like, you know, more of like that bigger fucking hole kind of.
It's also smoother, which allows smoother airflow, less turbulence.
I hope, yeah, I think oil like that's normal.
Yeah, I think it is, because it doesn't smoke or anything, and it doesn't burn oil, so even though it's in there. But
all right, so let's get this install going.
What we ended up doing, we took this fuel rail out, we unplugged it back here, and we undid this, which is our fuel supply. We undid these 4 bolts, that gets the fuel rail out. These injectors are really tight, takes a lot of wiggling around.
Just be careful because you don't want to break them.
Yeah, you could easily break them. And then there's bolts down here, torqued them to spec. We started off at 5 foot-pounds and then finished it with 19 foot-pounds, and then there was a certain pattern we did. And now that's in. It's got new gaskets. It feels really good. So now we're gonna tighten this down. We're gonna put our upper manifold on, and then hopefully we'll be driving it very soon. Yeah. All right, it's not going to start right away because there's a bunch of fuel in the system. It's going to die out a couple times.
As long as it starts.
Just watch for fuel.
Yes, sir.
I got you. I'm a little worried about that.
Yes, sir, Silver Fox.
I'm a Rossi. Balls.
You look so worried.
I am worried. For all I know, there could be a bolt in the freaking intake valve.
All right, let's go.
Right.
Yeah,
all right. Oh shit. Looks good.
sounds nice.
Looks good.
I can't believe it started that easily.
Started. We did it. We did it. You already know. Ported manifold. He is so close to full bolt on. Man, I'm really excited. Right now, the next thing he's gonna do is the 3-inch intake.
Yeah, those are coming in like 2 weeks.
All right, so there we go. So that's more content on the G37. Holy shit. We're gonna take it out on a nice drive, but we're gonna let the car kind of warm up a bit. But holy shit, you guys, we did it. It started really easy for that. Usually it dies out a couple times, but hell yeah, that's dope. All right, let's go on this drive.
Get the fuck out of the way.
I'm not gonna do a pull here.
Yeah, you need to get the paddle shift extenders.
Oh yeah.
So off the bat, just throttle response feels a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Really?
It's definitely better.
I feel like a big thing too is that we cleaned it. You know what I mean?
Oh,
We
yeah,
cleaned like.
There was so much oil and shit in there.
I know.
What the fuck is this acid tree?
What the fuck? He said, what the fuck is this acid tree?
Oh! Oh! There's a bee! I smacked the shit
shit.
out of it. Oh! Right by my hands. That climbed up quick. Holy fuck. That climbed up very fast.
Yeah, it's better.
Holy
I can't
shit.
with the retune and 3-inch intakes.
It's a whole different monster. Shit. Are you on the race tune?
Yeah.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, dude. Holy crap. Here's some nice ass roads.
I come down this all the time. It's awesome.
We took pictures here before, right here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, with the M4.
Oh, I remember that picture. The black one?
Yeah. I definitely feel like with the retune and then the fucking, that 3-inch intake's a whole different.
That's where you're really gonna feel it. Is the retune and 3-inch intakes.
No, but that climbed up very quick. For what it is, that climbed up very fast. Woo.
EQ was hit different.
Oh, there's my neighbor. She's on the phone.
Calls the cops.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Alright guys, so this video might be all over the place, but at the end of the day, you guys got your drive-by, and that shit was fucking fast. Definitely did it towards the top end, and again, there was no jerk. I remember in my car, there was a lot of jerk to it. When he downshifted and when he upshifted and he let off the gas, there was no jerk at all, which is a good thing. A main thing that we did too, I felt like helps a lot, that we cleaned. We cleaned a lot of shit inside the engine bay. Like, I mean, I'm like, we're not talking about like a little like leave here and there. We're talking about like fucking oil.
Rat's nest in here. I'll actually send Moogie the picture. You could put it in the video.
There was here, it's right here. There was a fucking big ass rat nest right here, and we fucking vacuumed that shit out. And honestly, I feel like that really does help. The install was not that bad. Very time consuming. You got to be very patient with this shit, because 1 second you could just fucking lose a fucking bolt and you're fucked. So
use a torque wrench. Do not risk it.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're on the channel, shut the fuck up. If you're on the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified, be a part of CLC Nation.
I don't want to be part of CLC.
You already know, but stay tuned, man. We got a bunch of shit. He already has another mod coming for the G37, so stay tuned. Camaro mods are coming as well. I did actually order a full, fuck you. a lot of mods coming for the Camaro. I actually did order the rock guards, so a lot of people actually were very interested in the rock guards. Got the full carbon interior.
You already know, boy. I'm about to be pushing 500.
Alright, shut the fuck. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.